Okay students, now we will solve question number 3, second part. Okay, we are doing quadratic equations, exercise 4.3, question number 3, second part. Alright, now see the question carefully. It says we have to solve this 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30, and this is also given to us that x is not equal to minus 4 and comma 7. Okay, x is not equal to minus 4 comma 7. Now first understand this, then I will tell you how to solve the question also. Now see, it is given that x is not equal to minus 4. See, the equation given to us is 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30, right? At this condition, what do you mean by this? X is not equal to minus 4. Why? Because if I substitute here minus 4, so I will get 1 upon minus 4 plus 4. So this is 1 upon minus 4 plus 4, 0. 1 upon 0 is infinity. So equation cannot be solved. That is why this condition is given, x not equal to minus 4. Why? Because if I substitute x is equal to minus 4 here, so I will get 0. Similarly here 7. If I substitute here 1 upon 7 minus 7, so 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay, so 1 upon 0 is infinity. Okay, I have told this, I am repeating again students, 1 upon 0 is not equal to 0 upon 1. Okay, keep this in mind. Okay, because 1 upon 0 is infinity and 0 by 1 is 0. Okay, understand this difference and don't forget. Okay, now how to solve this question. Now we will take LCM. Okay, so LCM will be x plus 4 into x minus 7. So x plus 4 is already here, so what is left? X minus 7 multiplied by 1, x minus 7 minus x minus 7 is already in denominator. What is left? X plus 4. So x plus 4 into 1 will give me x plus 4, right, is equal to 11 upon 30. Okay, now solve this. X minus 7 minus x minus 4 upon x plus 4 x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. Follow students? So minus x and plus x cancelled. Minus 7 and minus 4 minus 11. So minus 11 upon x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. Now 11 ones are 11 ones are. So this is minus 1. So now we have minus 1 upon x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 1 upon 30. Okay, always remember how to cancel numerator and numerator. Don't cancel numerator and denominator. Okay, see here 11 ones are 11 ones are on minus 1 here. Now you will cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply this. You will get x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to minus 30. Are you following students? Cross multiply this. Okay, cross multiply. So you will get x plus 4 into x minus 7, right, is equal to minus 30. Now you can solve this. So how do you solve this? X multiplied by x, then this x multiplied by minus 7. So x, right, multiplied by x minus 7 plus 4 x minus 7 is equal to minus 30. Solve this. X square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 is equal to minus 30. So x square minus plus minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. Followed students? Simple calculation. So minus 3x minus plus minus, so plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation which we have got. Now we have to simply solve. Okay, try and solve by splitting the terms by factorization. If not, then you can use quadratic formula, whichever you find comfortable. So x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, I have explained students how to solve this by factorization, so I am not repeating, I am directly solving now. So you need factors of 2. Okay, so this means 2 and 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 will give me plus 1, and minus plus will give me minus 3x. So I will write x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Now see, you can cross check minus minus plus, right? So I will get minus 3x and multiply this minus minus will give me plus 2, correct, is equal to 0. Now I can take common, so x minus 2. Okay, if I take minus common, minus 1, so here it will be x minus 2. Okay, so minus x and plus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1, right students, and x is equal to 2. Are you following, students? In this way we will get the answer. Okay students, so in this way we will get the answer. I hope you have followed and nothing is difficult now. Alright, so x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Okay, so these are the rules. Okay, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. I hope you have followed, students. Okay, so this was the question. Let me highlight it. Okay, so this was the question, how to solve this. Okay, these type of questions are there in your board exam, students. So I have explained you the concept. Now don't make mistake and try and solve other questions. Okay, so I'm repeating again how to solve. Take LCM. And one more thing before I forget, students, the questions which I am explaining, that you have to do obviously in your notebooks, and the questions which I don't explain, that is your assignment. Okay, you have to try and solve those questions by yourselves. Okay, and complete them in your notebook. Okay, don't think that sir is not giving any assignments. Okay, the questions which I explain after that, okay, or related to that questions, you should try and complete that in your notebooks. Alright, then another type I will solve, because I'm just repeating. Now see, this is the equation. So first we will take LCM. So LCM will be x plus 4 into x minus 7. Alright, okay, now x plus 4 is already here. So what is left? X minus 7. X minus 7 multiplied by 1, x minus 7. Minus in between, minus in between. X minus 7 in denominator. So what is left? X plus 4. So x plus 4 minus is in between. So put brackets, minus x plus 4 is equal to 11 by 30. Now open the brackets, change the sign, cross multiply. Okay. After cross multiplying, you will get this equation and simply solve this. Okay. All this is very elementary. You studied this in 8th class, 9th class. Okay. Okay, all this we have done. So the quadratic equation, we have got this. Okay, it is better, student, that you use quadratic. How to solve this quadratic equation? By splitting the middle term or factorization. Unless it is stated that solve by quadratic formula, then you solve by quadratic, because quadratic formula takes time. This you can do quickly. Okay, and it will save time also. Okay, in this way you solve, and then x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. Okay, so in this way you will complete this question and questions related to this. Try word problems. We have already solved in previous exercise word problems. Try and solve more these type of questions and word problems, then I will explain you more. So study well and be good students.